Hey guys, so we got a GoPro Hero 7 Black here. I'm going to show you how to change out the battery. It's in its little case, so you want to take off the case first. So this part right here, kind of get your fingernails under there and pop that out. And then you bring that forward, just like that. Open the front, and then you can kind of push it through. Right. So on the bottom, you have this little battery compartment. Push in that button and slide it out that way. Okay. Sometimes it sticks down a little bit like that. You just want to lift this up a little bit and make sure it's all the way out of the way. Then grab this little tab, pull the battery out. Okay. Now to put a new one in, put this back on the charger. Okay. And you can see in here, there's 3 little prongs there. It's really only gonna go in one way. So I mean, if you try to put it in backwards, it's literally not gonna go down like that. It's gonna stick down. So go with the longer end towards the rest of the camera, where there's more, and then push that in like that. Should it be flat when you put it in? Put that in and just slide it back in place like that. You want to put it back in your case, simply slide it back in here like that. Just reverse what you did before. This goes over there like that, and then push down. That'll hold it securely in place. Alright, thanks for watching this video. You guys have a great day. We'll see you next time.